Hi bazala bami ngithi welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami ngithi is about uThinga Zungu. UThinga Zungu, he's a gospel artist, a pastor and also a businessman, guys. He has a reality show now edlalayo which is called Thina Singozungu, guys. And I feel like that reality show, reality show will be the end of uThina Zungu because izinto azenzayo izinto abafundisi bangazenzi, more especially abafundisi babazalwane. We know that, guys. Esontweni labazalwane sithemba sivumelekanga. Esontweni labazalwane isonto nje eligxile kakhulu eBhayibhelini, and they are very strict. Other things abazenzi, but on the previous episode of Thina Singozungu, uThina Zungu ubekafonela i-ex-girlfriend yakhe or i-girlfriend yakhe, which is uLulu Menziwa. Guys, there were once pictures of uThina noLulu that they were making rounds on social media, and guys, you could see these people that are dating because they were kissing, but that were old pictures. So my question is, reality show ishidwe nini? And I guess because umntana kaThina ngimzwe lapha reality show athuna 9, that means because umntana kaThina now engathuna 11 if not 12, that means the reality show le ayishudwanga kudala. I'm talking about the second born lo oculayo njengoba bakhe. That means the reality show ayishudanga kudala. Then the question ithi ngoba uLulu Menziwa uhleli nefiance yakhe who's legally married to i-wife yakhona, ithiwani into kaLulu, guys. And this thing, it shows ukuthi uLulu umfazi onjani, uLulu uyintombazane enjani. It's not the first time uLulu atrenda for dating indoda eshadile. Uke watrendela that Zimbabwean billionaire, the late Zimbabwean billionaire, and the wife came out and said we were married, we were long married. Athi ukuthi vele ubekanga shadanga. The guy was married, and I guess uLulu bekazi. Now it's Thina, now nguthandana noThabo manje. I guess uthanda abantu abasontayo, but for me this, it will be the end of Thina Zungu, because since the reality show iqalile, guys, I'm talking about if he was just a gospel nto singer, bonke sibe nenkinga uyahlabela nje fana wonke umuntu, but this person umfundisi oyi-best friend nenyanga edume ngokuthwalisa abantu. Yabo if beka-best friend nabo uGogo Skhotheni, mina I wouldn't mind, because guys uGogo Skhotheni as much as angakhuluma ngezinto, but uGogo Skhotheni akasambisi kakhulu phambili into zobunyanga, and we could see that Gogo Skhotheni truly believes in God. But uDoctor lo ahamba naye, hayi guys, inyanga yodumo, you know that ukukhuluma ngeyithwalo. Even the time beka ku-podcast and he once said abafundisi abaningi basemasontweni wabazalwane bathwele. Then ubonakala uhamba nomuntu onjalo. And the other pastor, guys, I remember one of the first episode, the other pastor wayemkhuza ukuthi mina angikwazi ukuhamba nenyanga. You cannot kuthi umfundisi ubonakala eclubini, guys. Let's just be honest. You cannot kuthi umfundisi ubonakala eclubini. As much as abantu bangasho ukuthi we are judging abantu, but sometimes umele uma umfundisi uyi-leader, lead by example. Uzolitshela kanjani ibandla ukuthi utshwala buwrong while nawe self uphuza? Uyomtshela kanjani ukuthi ibandla or your youth ukuthi don't go to nightclubs? Nightclubs, they are not safe, while wena pastor as a leader of the church sibukela kuthiwa unyana kaYesu, wena self sibeliever ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthumele wena ukuthi uzohambisa ivangeli lakhe nezwi lakhe. Then wena self sikubona kuma nightclub, so kunama nightclub. Now I didn't see the need ukuthi bangaze baveze the part where uLulu amfonela. Mina I strongly believe that these reality shows, as much as zinga scriptwanga, but I do believe that there are other things abazicreatayo bone that they are not reality. There's no way ukuthi uLulu vele wa decide ufona that day kunama camera. No, this is a planned thing, and they know we will talk about it. Unfortunately, it's not a nice thing for umfundisi, and it's not a nice thing ukuthi ingazi vele TV iyenziwa umfundisi. And I know ukuthi this thing is umhethe umfazi wakhe njengoba naye ashilo ukuthi him cheating on umfazi wakhe ke yampula umuzi womfazi wakhe. You know ma isesazi ukuthi the pastor associated nenyanga ethwalisa abantu, the pastor uphuza uhamba ama clubs, the pastor uyacheata. So guys, is that the man onholayo yindoda enifuna umfundisi weni, then abayeni basesontweni babukele kuye? If you are having a problem nomyeni wakho and you go to pastor telling upastor ukuthi nangu ubaba sendlini uyakucheata, uzomkhuza mthini while naye self acheata? Izinto izinto guys wrong. And I guess now a lot of celebrities or abantu nje, they just do content just for fun. as long as umuntu yena avele ku-TV into yakhe igijima, and this thing izohlala, ukhohlwa into eyi-1 mfundisi, izohlala into evele TV guys izohlala up until uyobukela naye izukulu zakhe zabe zazi ukuthi as much as umkhulu waye umfundisi kodwa umkhulu waye also a cheater. I even saw bathi umntana yakhe uba namaphupho wrong, the last born son uba namaphupho angekho mahle, and the grandmother said umntana makamukiswe esangomeni. So to me I think uthina kusho ukuthi izangoma yazihamba, and the time uKhehlelezi athi abafundisi bahamba izangoma, bonyeka azakhuluma ngomfundisi angamanzi, kusho ukuthi naye uthini uyambala lapho. But bazalwane bami Zitho, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.